Hi, myself V.S. Prasad from grade 9.
Hi, my name is P.L. Veerappanam from grade 9.
Myself G.N. Mithun Karthik from grade 9.
Myself T. Giridharan from grade 9.
I am S. Abhinesh from grade 9.
We are from Jiva Public School. Now my friends Veerapana and Mithun Karthi will explain the parts of our project.
We use PIC microcontroller and Bluetooth LCD display, two normal motors, one water motor, TDS sensor and flow sensor and LED light.
We used specifically Viksit F877 PIC microcontroller in our project. As next, we used Admega 328 Arduino Uno to control Bluetooth supply.
We used PIC microcontroller to control the project. We use Bluetooth to transmit data. We use LCD display to display data. We use flow sensor to predict the flow of water. We use TDS sensor to predict the pH level of water. We use water motor to pump the water. We use two normal motor as turbine.
We use LED as a light which will be useful at night time.
When water flows on a turbine, it will rotate and it will produce energy to by LED lamp.
That LED will be used as a night light in night time, and the turbine, the mechanical energy will be produced by the water. That mechanical energy will be converted as electrical energy, and that electrical energy will be converted as light energy, and that light energy will help the people at night time to walk in the streets and etc. Now my friend Abhinesh will explain the flow sensor.
We used flow sensor as a pump and it detects the flow of water.
In flow sensor, there is a magnetic pulse. If that magnetic pulse cross the magnet and one reading up and down, it would come. Using that, we can use the flow sensor. This is what the flow, if the flow touches the turbine and the turbine rotates, and the time the magnetic pulse rotates and the frequency will be produced by that would be decoded by the microcontroller.
Now my friend Prasanna Sidram will show a demo of this project.
Before I show demo of this project, I would like to share few things which would be helpful for you to know about this project. As previously I said, we can calculate the water level, right? If this one rotation from this flow sensor rotates, 1 ml of water will be available. By this calculation, we can find how much water is needed for a city, right? Using that, I can supply the water level and automatically off the system. This is what the first thing. As next, using this flow, if the flow is available and the distribution is on, if the flow is off, then it means that the distribution is off. Then if the flow is also running and the distribution is also running, it means distribution and the flow is both are equal. If the distribution is off and the flow is running, somewhere leakage is there, right? Somewhere leakage is going, so that only the turbo is rotating. That is what we can find that using flow sensor. See, now I would on it. See, the distribution is on and the count is running. If it reaches 100, then it automatically off. See, the flow is there. See, it reached 100. After 100 reaching, the motor distribution is automatically off. As next, what I said, if the flow is there, can you see here? Now I will show the demo. Catch it, please. See, if this reached 100 again, if the distribution is off, if it reached 100, it means that flow is there. So leakage would be distributed here. See here. See, leakage message came here. It means that somewhere leakage is there. Now I would explain the other two features of my project. This is TDS sensor. It can measure the pH level of waters. And you see here, this is pure water, this one is unpure water. Now I would leave this TDS sensor inside the pure water. See, the pH level reached up to 63. If I leave it in an unpure water, now I would show the other part of my project, that is Bluetooth. See, distribution is on message came here. Using this, we can make the people aware of water supply. In India, there are deserts, plains, farming lands. For all these, the basic thing which we need is water. Without water, we can't farm, we can't drink anything, and we can't wash anything. This is water is the basic thing for everyone and every living thing. That water is wasted more in India. 18% of Indians, nearly 6 million people of Indians are suffering with water scarcity. To solve this problem, we created this. And the main features and advantages of this project are we can alert the people with water distribution signal. As next, we can reduce water wastage, we can reduce waterborne diseases as we can destroy it. As next, we can know and we can distribute the equal amount of water to every people. Thank you.